गोय सरकार गोय विद्यापीठाचे मूल्यांकन देवपाक पुरायपणान जबाबदार आसा। मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांच्या फुडारपणाखाला शिक्षण तज्ञांची 30 एप्रिल मेरेन समिती स्थापन केली ना तर आंदोलन करपाची शिटकावणी NSUIचे अध्यक्ष नौशाद चौधरी हांणी दिल्या। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
The declining grade of Goa University. It is very sad to see our Goa University in this pathetic situation. खूप दुःख जाता गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीचो सिट्युएशन पळोवन आता। ही गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी आमची युनिव्हर्सिटी, आमी ते युनिव्हर्सिटीन शिकता, बट इफ यू गो टू सी ताजो रँक फ्रॉम लास्ट कपल ऑफ इयर्स देंवत आसा। इफ यू गो टू सी तुमकां स्टॅटिस्टिक्स सांगता हांव। द नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट रँकिंग फ्रेमवर्क NIRF, this is a body which give the ranking to the top 100 universities in India. In 2017 universityचो rank असलो 64. In 2018 universityचो rank असलो 68. In 2019 universityचो rank जालो 93 देंवलो. आणि in 2021 the rank went to 96. The rank went down to 96 in top 100 universities. Goa University rank झाला 96. आणि आता the NAC, the autonomous body of UGC, University Grant Commission. NAC is National Assessment and Accreditation Council, who gives the grading to university. तांची जेन्ना visit जाली in April this month, university got a grade of B++. University तो grade असलो grade A, आता grade B++ जाला, देवला grade. हेजो कारण कितें? The main reason of this सगळे म्हणटा, आणि also the university जे professor are also they believe that the number of post teaching असू non teaching staff असू अजून vacant आसा. Why this number of posts are vacant? आणि जेन्ना जेन्ना आमकां इश्यू आसता, स्टुडंट्साचो इश्यू आसूं कितें इश्यू आसूं, वी अप्रोच युनिव्हर्सिटी. आमी युनिव्हर्सिटीक सांगता हे चूक जाली तुमची, ही तुमची मिस्टेक जाली, हेजे खातीर स्टुडंट्साक ह्यो त्रास जाता, हेजे खातीर स्टुडंट्साक ही प्रॉब्लेम जाता म्हणून. हे कित्याक सांगता आमी? सो दॅट युनिव्हर्सिटी शूड रेक्टिफाय द्या मिस्टेक अँड शूड बिकम अ बेटर युनिव्हर्सिटी. पूण युनिव्हर्सिटी कितलें सांगलें जाल्यार युनिव्हर्सिटी इज नॉट बिकमिंग बेटर. वॉट इज द रिजन बिहायंड दीस? द रिजन बिहायंड दीस इज द वीक education system of Goa. The director of higher education is directly related to this, and the education minister, the so-called education minister Pramod Sawant, because of education minister we are facing, the student community of Goa, the Goa University is in such a bad situation ki this is a serious issue. Pramod Sawant need to come out with a clear plan. What is his plan as an education minister, and director of higher education should come out with a clear plan. What is his plan to revive the status of Goa University? Today I am demanding from this insensitive chief minister. Why I am saying insensitive? मैं को सांगता हूँ. He is an education minister, but he is a part-time education minister. मका दिसता. We need a full-time education minister who can give full attendance to the problem what students are facing and what university is facing. We need a full-time education minister who will solve this problem, and we demand that a high-level committee should be constituted. It should be headed by a chief minister and the topmost educationists जे retire असलेले आता and who are teaching topmost educationists to revive the status of Goa University. नाल्यार जावपा ना ते.